Hey there, everyone. Sorry about my gloves. Oh! Hi. Hey, I'm back. Hey, so yeah. So I thought I'd come down here and show you Priscilla. Priscilla is a Spitfire, and she was named after a little girl who had died from cancer. A gentleman by the name of Jerry Billings actually named this the Spitfire after Priscilla. So I thought that was something I wanted to come out here and share with you. I'll get a little bit of a better angle here for you guys as well. It's freaking freezing out here, but you know what? Getting out here and exploring and getting some good shots of some scenery and all that. I thought that would be awesome. So, and not too far down from Priscilla, we got down here to the snow. Down there, you see, that's the old train station that used to be here. We got the train station, and we got there's a little red caboose down that way. They opened up this whole one side of the park over here. This was like all down here, all like old silos and stuff. So they knocked it down to make the park a bit bigger. So they're going to be expanding on it. It's all going to be all like foliage and stuff. Make it all pretty looking. So yeah, so this out here is the old train station. Back here about Priscilla again here in a minute. So here, that's pretty cool, eh? So that's Priscilla there, and then we got the flags flying. Okay, so Priscilla here. Oh, also, I think that's important. Okay, so there's Priscilla there, and also here. Back this way. This here. Let's get a better look at it. This is all the Spitfire pilots that died in World War II. So we have this one down this way here. This one. And then we got this whole wall all here. Better shot here. It goes all the way from down this way, all the way down here. And it says, never was so much owed by so many to so few. And that was from Churchill. And then also there's another one here all the way at the end with more names. So yeah, if you're ever in Essex, come check out the wall here. It's, Essex, Ontario, World War II from 1939 to 1945. Yeah, and there's a plaque here too. So this is, Priscilla is the Essex Memorial Spitfire. So that's Priscilla here. There's a plaque here with some words on it and some stuff. So yeah, there's the underbelly with our wheels all up inside over there. And we'll go over this way a little bit farther. Take a little bit better look at the old train station. I like the fact that and the parks and stuff like that, they got like little lending libraries. Little libraries. These are all a bunch of them all around town. They all got like books in them, so you can take one and read one or whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Got a little pergola here. Trudge. So yeah. So this is the This is the old train station. We'll take a tour inside. I don't know if we'll do it today or we'll do it another time. It is cold out here. And this is the caboose. I guess they actually have book signings in here. And I actually had the opportunity to do one, and I didn't know if I was going to have enough books. I was like already had like a few set up, so I didn't want to overbook myself for sales. So yeah, so this over here is the entrance. And this is the Essex railway station. Not sure if it is opened. You can see. Is it open? No, it's not open today. Alright, so we'll come back another day and we'll check out the inside of the train station. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and make sure that I'll get out of the house, get away from the computer, get out in the community and take in some sights. Look at that, isn't that cool? Look at that, that's beautiful. So yeah. Well, I hope you're all doing well. This is Scott from Scott's Thoughts and Stuff. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I hope you're all doing well. Stay safe and be well. Thank you for tuning in.